Okay, my boyfriend's watching the Stanley Cup right now. The game is almost over. It's the third period. He's freaking out over the Flyers. He has the universal remote, which is what we always use, and I took this Bose remote, which works in any room of the house. I don't think he knows that, but if he does, I don't think he's going to put two and two together, and I'm going to turn the TV off while he's watching the game. Let's see what happens.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Oh, what the f***? The f***? The f***? The f***? Oh, don't f*** you! Oh. No, oh no. No! The f***? I didn't touch it! The f*** is wrong with it? I'm gonna break this thing. Ah! No! Come on! Come on! No! No! Four! Oh my God! What? Come on, baby. Come on! Come on! Oh, yes! What the f***? God, just... Oh, this TV! You stupid shit. Come on. What the f***? Shit. I'm gonna break everything in this room. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. Oh my God, where's the puck? I think they're just lost. Oh no. Oh no, please. No, I didn't. What's happening?
What happened to the room? What did you do?
Flyers lost.
They lost?
What are you doing? What is that? Yeah, you were shutting that off. I do that. You little sneaky mother. Where's the camera at?
This is the camera.
Where's the other camera at? You had to film my reaction. You man, that's up. And it's your fault they lost.
It's not my fault.
I couldn't watch the game.
Yeah.
There are a couple of presentations.
Where did you put the camera at?
This is
How
it.
did you film my reaction?
I didn't.
That'll be followed by
So messed up. That's your prank? That's your prank.
and this is the Noble.
I can't even be mad at you. I'm so...
Throughout the playoff.
Did you know that this works in any room of the
I
house?
didn't even think about it.